White chocolate and raspberry jam is a match made in heaven, and I want to incorporate this matrimony in my banging fluffy muffins. First, 150 grams of self-raising flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now add in 55 grams of caster sugar and 30 grams of dark brown sugar. Finally, for the dry ingredients, you want 60 grams of chopped white chocolate.
Mix all the ingredients together and make a well in the centre for the wet ingredients, which are 50 grams of melted butter that's been cooled and 1 beaten egg. Now carefully fold in the ingredients. If the mixture is too dry, add a splash of milk.
Now mix this together, but do not over mix, otherwise your muffins will just turn into cakes. Line your muffin tray with some cupcake cases, and we're going to spoon in a little bit of the batter and then dot some raspberry jam and then fill it up with the batter again.
Repeat the layers until the cases are 3/4 filled. Don't overfill the cases, you must allow room for the muffins to rise.
Now these are ready to go into an oven at 180°C for 20 minutes.
These are my Bangin white chocolate and raspberry jam muffins. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube so I can bring you more banging recipes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.